Bright sun shining in the sky, dry trees and land. Crow flying slowly, looking tired and thirsty.
Crow flying to different places. Everywhere is dry or empty.
A clay pitcher on the ground. Crow notices it and flies toward it happily.
Crow looks inside the pitcher. Water is very low. Crow cannot reach it and feels worried.
Crow sits and thinks deeply. Small stones visible around. Suddenly, Crow gets an idea.
Crow picking stones with its beak, dropping them one by one into the pitcher, water level slowly rising.
Water reaches the top. Crow drinks water easily. Crow flies away happily.